1% as well. So these were the big highlights. But you get a sense that there's no real trigger for the market which can take it out of the range.
True.
Largely, we're stuck in that band.
That's right, John. And actually, a lot of people expected earnings will be a big trigger, but that's turned out to be a very mixed reaction, so to speak, across the board, whether it's banks, pharma, financials. It's been like a very mixed reaction as far as the earnings are concerned. From a market point of view this week, we all spoke about being a flattish market, Nifty, Bank Nifty, all were pretty much flat. The big talking point was the Adani saga, and it continues to boil down. We saw the MSCI reaction coming in on Thursday night. We reacted on Friday morning today. And as we speak, there is a further news about Moody's downgrading some of the Adani Group stocks. So that, I guess, that's been a big center point and a big talking point as well among a lot of the investors as well. As I said, earnings to the reaction to earnings were quite mixed. The other important point to track would be the FI activity. That's to some extent a bit positive for us because there is no big selling coming in from the larger FIs. Though there is no big buying coming in, but the selling intensity has definitely lowered in this week. That's the overall feedback. I guess from a Q point of view, both the rate action, both globally and locally, will be very important. A lot of economists were expecting that this will be the fag end of the rate hike, but after the hawkish stance by the RBI this week, looks like April could be another rate hike in India as well, and that could be the trend in global markets as well. So I think rates will be very important to track going forward. But the good part from this week was, despite all the noise about Adani Group, the FIs have turned slightly buyers, or at least less selling from the FIs in this week.
Well, Nimesh,